Hi, this is a tutorial video on how to fill up the admission form for HSNC University. You need to apply on hsncu.admissiondesk.org. Before proceeding ahead with the application, it is mandatory to purchase the PIN. Applicants can purchase the PIN by clicking on PIN Purchase available on the top right-hand side of the page. Without the PIN purchase, applicants can't proceed ahead with the registration. Students must input their name, a valid mobile number, and an active email ID. All information regarding the login will be sent to the user on the mentioned mobile number and email ID. Once the information is filled, the user will be directed to the payment gateway. Upon successful payment, applicants would receive a serial number, PIN number, and a registration number. Kindly note the details are alphanumeric and are case sensitive. The details are confidential, hence do not share this with anyone else. These details would be sent via SMS on their inputted mobile number and the email ID. In case you don't see the details in your inbox, make sure you check the junk or spam folder as well. If candidate has not received the email and SMS, they must be connect with HSNC University Help Desk. After you have purchased the PIN, you need to start the registration process. The student has to click on registration link from top right corner on the page. Here, the student needs to input the data of their 12th grade mark sheet. Please select your board of examination and input the seat no as shown in your mark sheet/hall ticket. If you have cleared your 12th board in the first attempt, you need to select 1 in No of the Attempts tab. If you are a repeater, you should select 2. Kindly note, PC number is not mandatory. If you do not have it, then you can keep it blank. Input the passing month and year as mentioned in your mark sheet. Select the stream in which you passed your 12th grade exam. Now you can proceed to the next step. The PIN number is already sent on your email ID and via SMS also. Kindly note PIN number is case sensitive. The name should match exactly as per your 12th grade mark sheet. Input the address as mentioned on your Aadhaar card. For which year you are applying for admission, first or second. Continuing further, input a valid mobile and an active email ID. All the admission-related information would be sent on the mentioned mobile number and email ID. Upon submission, you would again receive an email and SMS with details like PIN number, serial number, and registration number, which would be required to log in further. Please check the sequence of the data provided in the email and SMS and fill the information correctly. After successful login, input the full name of your father and mother. In case you participated in sports or cultural events, you can select under the Special Achievement tab. Kindly note, you need to upload the certificate of the special achievement under the Documents tab. Without this, the system will not let you proceed ahead. Under Category, select the category under which you are applying for admission. If you fall under the General category, but you have passed your 12th examination with either HR College or KC College, you need to select the in-house category. Students applying under Sindhi Linguistic Minority need to provide the certificate and affidavit document at the time of admission. Failure to provide so will result in cancellation of admission. Under SSC Marks section, you need to update the total marks obtained for all the subjects. Please do not update on the basis of top 4 or top 5 subjects. Under HSE, the same data will be populated as you have filled earlier. You are required to input the name of the college or school from where you completed your 12th grade. Under Marks of 12th grade, you need to update data of all the subjects. It should be exactly as per your mark sheet. Please do not update on the basis of top 4 or top 5 subjects. If any of your subject is only practical, then you need to input 00 under the theory section. In case you are issued mark sheets with grades, then you need to convert it into marks using the grade conversion link provided above. Upload your passport size photograph. Kindly ensure the photograph is not older than 6 months. You need to sign on a blank white paper and upload the scanned copy of the same sign. Marksheet scan should be a full-page scan without any background image. Unclear and illegible scan copies will not be processed. You need to upload 10th grade, 12th grade mark sheet, 12th leaving certificate or transfer certificate, and gap certificate if it's applicable can be uploaded under this tab. Here you need to select the course name for which you are seeking admission for, select the appropriate degree and click on Search. You would see multiple college names and course names. Click on the tick box to the particular course of the particular college to your list of preferences. You can select as many courses you want to apply for. Keep ticking on the checkbox to confirm your choices. If you want to make changes in the order of your preferences, you can click on the up or down arrow and update it as per your choice. Once satisfied with the order, you can submit the form and proceed ahead. Following completion of the details, select the Preview option. You may view every detail you entered in the form. Click on Submit button if application form is filled up completely. Once the form is submitted, the student cannot change any details. On successful submission of application form. After the submission of the form, the students cannot change any data inputted by them. They are only allowed to change the order of their preferences. You can click on Change College Choice option. You can click on the up or down arrow and update it as per your choice. Once satisfied with the order, you can submit the form and proceed ahead. For any queries, contact us at call, WhatsApp, or email.